Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about solving equation with basics level. Equation is mean you will have two sides and equal sign in given equation. Example, very easy equation you can write out like this. X plus 5 equals 7. So the task of solving equation is mean you have to find the value of unknown variable x in here, and the value of x have to be satisfied this equation. So maybe you can very easy guess the value of x is true because 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So the method for finding the value of x equal to true, we will call it solving equation. Yeah, okay. So can you see here the equation? You will have two sides. The first side in left hand side, we call it left hand side. Left hand side. So where the left hand side in this equation? X plus 5 is left hand side. So the standard side, for compare. The standard for comparing is equal sign in this position. So x plus 5, we call it left hand side. And the 7 in the right hand side, you can call it right hand side. So these letters will be a little longer. So I will write down like left hand side. And the other one, you can call it right hand side, something like this. Okay, that's very easy. I want to introduce about transposing method. Transposing method will give you some very easy method applied for solving equation. You can understand like this. You have the number, and in front of that number you have a sign. Example, you have the number 5 in left hand side. In front of 5 you got positive sign. So when you want to move left hand side to right hand side, you have to change the sign. The positive to negative or negative become to positive. Plus sign in left hand side, when you move it to right hand side, it become to negative side, like this. Okay, so you should write down after transposing in the second line 7, you have no plus 5 here anymore. This is not good. This is not right answer. So you have to change this one become to negative. Because in the left hand side you got plus 5. So you move it to the right hand side, it have to be changed. Plus become to minus. Okay, so you have the minus sign here. You want to move from right hand side to left hand side, it combine to plus 5. Is combined to plus 5 equal to 7. Okay, that is the first thing you should remember. Okay, for applying, you can understand like this. You got the first line is given as the first line is given equation x plus 4 equals 8. So I will apply transposing method from the left hand side move to right hand side. Here plus 4 is have to be become to negative 4. So x still be here, and then you have in the right hand side you have operation s minus 4. S minus 4 is mean 4. So the value of x is 4. So let me check it again. You got x plus 4 equal to 8. So you know about the value of x is 4. So I will put the value of x here is 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8. Okay, that is right answer. Yeah, that is the first example for transposing method. And another example, you can do it like here. 6 plus x equal 10. Okay, so I want to give x stand alone in one side. So in the left hand side, you got 6 plus x. So I want to move 6 from left hand side to right hand side. X will be stay here, and you got 10. And you have 6 in the left hand side is positive 6. So you want to move it from here become to here. It have to be negative 6 is not positive 6 anymore. It have to be minus 6 or negative 6. Okay, 10 minus 6, you have 4. So x equal to 4 is my answer. Let me check again. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So this equation is right. Yeah, okay. So another example, example 3. You got x negative 2 equal to 10. So I want to subject x or rearrange x. It means x have to be standalone in one side. So x here I will unchange the sign for x. I want apply transposing method for x. I'm thus apply transposing method for negative 2. Negative 2 in left hand side, I want move it to from left hand side to right hand side. And you got 10 here, negative 2 here. This is negative 2, it have to become to plus 2. Transposition method is mean change position. You have to change sign. Negative become to plus or positive, and positive become to negative. So 10 plus 2, you got 12. And x equal to 12. That is the value for this question. That is the value for this equation. So you got this one, 12 minus 2 equal to 10. Yeah, okay, so my answer is right. That is question 3, and this is question 4. One more time, you got here is 8 and here is 2. So very easy for you now, right? 2 plus 8 is not 2 minus 8. It have to be plus 8. So 2 plus 8, you got 10. Let me check it. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Yeah, that is my right answer for this question. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I think you can understand about this one. And the next video we will practice a little bit about this question, about this kind of exercise. Thank you so much and see you next time.